Hello traders, in this video I am reviewing the AI for gold EA for MT4 and MT5, and in this breakdown I'll go through the MQL5 marketplace page, explain how the system is positioned, and then look at its historical behavior based on the testing context provided. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace page for AI for gold, developed by Eugene Funk. This is an expert advisor that seems to be available for both MT4 and MT5. Currently priced at 649 US dollars with a 1 month rental option at 180 US dollars and a full version release that has been updated through 2023. Right from the description, the developer positions this EA as a more advanced and selective trading system focused on avoiding low quality trades and only taking setups where it has strong confidence. Now, the emphasis here is clearly on selective execution rather than high frequency trading. As I scroll through the page, the EA is described as being designed specifically for gold. All right, XAUUSD on the M15 time frame. So even though it supports both MT4 and MT5 platforms, the trading logic itself is centered around gold market behavior on lower time frames. Now, one of the key ideas explained in this description is the concept of redundancy. The developer compares it to a system where multiple independent conditions must align before a trade is taken. The idea is that instead of relying on a single signal, the EA combines multiple layers so that only higher confidence setups are executed. From what I can see, the logic is structured around three main components, including price action, price action entry patterns, actually, um, price action entry patterns, risk and money management, and then trade prediction. So the idea is that each of these works independently and together they form a more stable decision making system. Another point highlighted is that the EA does not increase risk after losses, which suggests a more controlled approach to position sizing compared to aggressive recovery style systems. So that's an important design choice because it affects how drawdown behavior develops over time. Scrolling further, the EA is also described as being compatible with multiple brokers and less sensitive to price differences and execution variations in newer versions. That is intended to improve stability across different trading environments. There are also usage recommendations listed. The EA is intended to be run on XAUUSD, using the M15 time frame with a minimum deposit starting around $100 depending on risk level, and ideally higher for more conservative usage. It also suggests using ECN style accounts with low spreads for better execution conditions. Now, before moving into the back testing section, the key takeaway is that this EA is designed around selective trade execution on gold, where it tries to filter out weaker market conditions and focus only on higher confidence setups. So now let's just quickly go to the strategy tester, and we are running the AI for gold EA on XAUUSD on the M15 time frame as recommended. We are running it over the past 5 months, starting from the beginning of this year till date, to get a reasonable market data for the back testing. For the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. Right. So now, based on the results that we are seeing here, there seems to have been no trade taken, and on the journal, I don't really seem to find a specific reason for no trade being taken. Now let's just quickly go over to the settings again, and I'm going to turn on the visual mode. All right, so we can see the EA in action. Okay, all right. So we are running it again just just to see the EA in action, and we are using the recommended asset and recommended time frame. All right, so um on the chart, if you're looking at the historical backtest results, the main focus is on how consistently the EA selects trades under different gold market conditions. And since the system is based on price action patterns combined with prediction logic, the behavior that I'm looking for is how cleanly it avoids overtrading and how it reacts during volatile versus ranging environments. Now we can also see the dashboard here showing the equity, the profit and loss, the spread, leverage, version, and then of course showing here AI data stream active. Okay, and also here is to get the best set files. So on the chart, I want to observe how trade timing aligns with momentum shifts in gold and whether entries appear clustered around specific structural moves rather than random market noise. Another important part of this historical testing performance is understanding how stable the results are over longer periods. With systems like this, longer backtest durations tend to give a much clearer picture of whether the selectivity logic holds up across different phases of the market. As always, it is important to remember that historical analysis does not guarantee future performance. Results can vary significantly depending on risk configuration, lot size, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, and overall market volatility. Okay, so in as much as the back test around the back test over about 5 months plus, I will recommend testing this EA over maybe 1 year, 2 years, or even more, depending on you know how much data that you want to capture for the back testing. Okay, so that you can be able to capture a wide range of market conditions for the back testing. All right, and get a more comprehensive result. So overall, AI for gold for MT4 and MT5 is presented as a selective confidence-based trading system built around price action logic and multi-layer decision making, with a strong focus on avoiding low quality trades rather than maximizing trade frequency. Okay, so personally, I would still recommend running longer term testing and forward observation as well, so you can get a clearer understanding of how it behaves across different gold market environments before considering any live usage. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.